Hello, this is Risa from Anji Risa. Welcome to my channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this pretty ribbon flower. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It motivates me to keep making videos. Prepare the ribbons. I use 1.5 inch white ribbon for the flower and 1 inch white ribbon for the leaves. Measure your ribbon by 45 inches for the flower and 7 inches for the leaves. Take the ribbon for the flower, fold down to form a triangle, cut and seal so it won't fray. I prefer to use Grosgrain ribbon because I can barely see the difference. But if you want to use satin ribbon, it's better to use double-sided satin ribbon. Prepare your needle and thread. Begin running stitch. Like this. Fold down here and continue the running stitch. Fold down and continue the running stitch until the end of our ribbon. When you reach the end of the ribbon, fold down like this, cut, and seal the ribbon. Now, gather the ribbon. When you gather, curl this away from you. To form the flower, you can use hot glue or just continue with the needle and thread. I prefer to use needle and thread. And this is the back side of our flower. So, keep stitching like this until the end of our ribbon. Our flower is almost done. Now grab the ribbon for the leaves, cut into 2 pieces. Fold it like this and stitch. Put the leaves at the end of our ribbon flower and it's here. And to finish our flower, you can embellish with bigger bead or rhinestone and your flower is all done. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe.